Hi everyone, today we are checking out the AICEYI Black V-Groove Digital Angle Finder. This is a high-precision tool that's been getting a lot of attention from both professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts. So let's see what makes it special. Right out of the box, you can immediately feel the quality. This thing is built from space aluminum, which gives it a solid professional feel without being too heavy. It measures 6 inches long by 1.5 inches wide, so it's compact enough to throw in your tool bag, but substantial enough to feel durable. The standout feature is here definitely that V-groove magnetic base. Unlike flat magnetic levels, this V-shaped groove actually cradles pipes, tubes, and round surfaces, giving you way more stability. When you are trying to get accurate readings, the magnets are strung through. This thing really holds onto metal surfaces securely. The display has a backlight, which is honestly a game changer when you are working in dimly lit spaces like crawl spaces, attics, or even just under a cabinet. No more squinting or pulling out your phone flashlight to read measurements. It's rated IP65 waterproof, which means it can handle dust and water splashes. No, you are not going to want to drop it in a bucket of water, but if you are working outside in light rain or dusty conditions, this tool can handle it without issues. So where does this really shine? I've been using it for a few different projects. For woodworking, it's perfect for setting table saw blade angles or checking meter cuts. The digital readout is accurate and easy to read at a glance. For plumbing work, that Vigo comes into play. You can set it right on a pipe to check slope for drainage. No more awkward balancing acts trying to hold a regular level against a round surface. It's also great for installation work, leveling appliances, checking wall angles for tile work, or even automotive work if you need to check suspension angles or alignment issues. The precision on this is impressive. It gives you digital readings that are far more accurate than trying to eyeball bubble levels, especially when you need exact angle measurements. The magnetic base means you can often work hands-free once it's positioned, which is incredibly convenient. The interface is straightforward. You are not just dealing with complicated menus or settings. It's intuitive enough that you can pick it up and start using it immediately. That space aluminum construction is not just for show. This feels like a tool that's built to last. It's taken a few drops in my shop without any damage, and the waterproof rating means you don't have to baby it on the job site. This tool is really versatile if you are a professional contractor, electrician, plumber, or carpenter. This is solid addition to your toolkit that will get used regularly. The accuracy and durability justify the investment, but it's also accessible enough for serious DIY ERS. If you are doing home renovations, building furnitures, or just want precise measurements for your projects, you'll find yourself reaching for this constantly. Overall, the AICEYI Digital Angle Finder delivers on its promises. The V-Groove design is genuinely innovative and useful. The build quality is excellent, and the backlight display makes it the practical in real-world conditions. The IP65 ratings gives you peace for mind in various working environments. It's one of those tools that once you start using it, you will wonder how you managed without it. Whether you are a pro or a dedicated DIYer, this is worth checking out. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tool reviews and project videos. Drop a comment below if you have any question about this angle finder or if there are other tools you would like me to review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.